Steering column removal, 1996 Honda Civic. Tools required are a 10mm, a 12mm, a Phillips head screwdriver, and sometimes a flathead screwdriver. Start by removing the 3 Phillips head screws that hold the lower dash cover in place. Remove the lower dash cover. Remove the 3 Phillips head screws that hold the column cover in place. You need to push in and pull up to separate the upper and lower steering column covers. You now have access to the 2 10mm fasteners that hold the lower dash plate in place. Remove those fasteners. With the fasteners removed, you can remove the lower dash plate. There are 2 retaining clips holding the lower steering column cover on. Remove these metal retaining clips. Remove the lower steering column cover. With the cover removed, you now have access to the lower U-joint. There are 2 10mm fasteners. You need to remove the lower fastener. You only need to loosen the upper fastener. There are several electrical connections that need to be disconnected to remove the column. We worked our way from bottom to top to try to get them all. Once the electrical connections are disconnected, there are 4 fasteners that hold the column to the underside of the dash. Be sure to support the steering column when you remove the final fastener, as it will come down. With all of the fasteners removed, pull the steering column up and off of the steering shaft to remove it from the vehicle.